This is a quick breakdown for those specifically looking for how to download, fill, and submit the manual KRA Non-eTIMS expenses Excel adjustment file. Go to Returns, select Income Tax Return Adjustments, choose Manual and Non-eTIMS or TIMS invoices. Under the accounting period information, select 2025, then click Next. At this section, you will see the required file uploads. Upload your list of non-eTIMS expenses in the Excel format and the PDF file of your receipts. Click here to download the KRA Excel template, fill it in and upload it back here. Once you download the template, the Excel template, then you need to fill in the supplier PIN, the supplier name, invoice or receipt number, invoice or receipt date, and a description of what you paid for and the total amount. Then save the file for uploading. Then gather all your non-eTIMS receipts or the invoices, scan them and combine them or compress them into one PDF file. Make sure the file size does not exceed 10 MB. If you find this difficult, you can always get assistance from a cyber cafe. Then get back here, upload your saved Excel template, then upload your PDF file, and then submit. Once you submit, you should see a confirmation message saying, Non-eTIMS adjustments uploaded successfully. If an error appears, go back to your Excel template and double check a few details, especially the supplier KRA PIN information, and ensure every required field in the sheet has been filled in correctly. So a quick guide for you: when filling in your returns Excel template, go to section T, the tax computation cell. Then under row 6, where it reads manual non-eTIMS expenses, make sure that you enter the exact total expenses from the CSV file that you just uploaded. So ensure the figures match exactly. Before uploading your Excel file, make sure you follow a few important checks. First, ensure the supplier KRA PIN number is written in capital letters. Next, fill in all the required fields correctly. Do not leave any blanks. Also, do not include a separate total row. Only enter the individual expense amounts as required. Then finally, make sure the totals in your Excel file, they match exactly with the figures you will use when filling in your return filing template. In some cases, the supplier PIN is not available. This appears to be a limitation in the current system. So I've tried checking through an online support, but I have not gotten a clear answer yet, and I'm also not able to visit the KRA offices physically at the moment, so that I can get the official clarification. So once I get the full confirmation about how we should treat that, I will go ahead and give you an update in the comments section. If this video was helpful, feel free to share it with someone else who might need it. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can be part of this amazing simple tax filing tips family. I have also helped a number of individuals file their taxes correctly. So if you need professional tax filing services, feel free to reach me via the WhatsApp number in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next episode.